In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail blocked for security reasons. When Gmail blocks access, it's usually to protect your account after something unusual was detected, like multiple failed sign-ins, a new device, or activity from a different location. The good news is you can guide Google to verify it's really you and restore access safely. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share tips to help each step go smoothly. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google's account recovery page. Make sure you're on the official Google website before entering any details. If possible, do this on a device and network you've successfully used with this account before. Familiar locations and devices can make verification easier. Enter your Gmail address carefully, then click Next. Double-check spelling and any dots in the address to avoid needless errors. After you proceed, Google will begin confirming your identity with a series of prompts. When asked, enter your password. If you're not entirely sure, use the most recent one you remember. Next, you may be prompted to enter a verification code sent by text message or to a recovery email. Keep your phone nearby and watch for the code to arrive within a few moments. These codes expire quickly, so enter it as soon as you receive it. If it goes to email, check your inbox and spam or junk folders. Avoid requesting multiple codes in rapid succession, as that can appear suspicious and slow things down. You might also be asked to answer security questions. Provide answers exactly as you originally set them, paying attention to spelling and capitalization if applicable. If Google presents additional on-screen steps, such as confirming recent activity, just continue following the prompts. Move through them patiently and truthfully. Consistency is key to proving ownership. If, after trying these verification options, you still can't get in, give it time. Wait 24 to 48 hours before trying again. This cooling off period allows Google's security systems to reset and reduces the chance of triggering another lock. During this window, avoid repeated sign-in attempts, password changes, or code requests. Too many attempts can extend the lockout and make recovery harder. After the wait, try signing in again through the same recovery flow, ideally from the same trusted device and network. With careful, steady steps and accurate information, most users regain access without issue. Take it slow, follow the on-screen guidance, and you'll be back in your inbox safely. If this helped, stay patient and persistent. Your account's security is worth it.